Are you planning a trip and finding it hard to stay organized? I'm going to show you my 3 top tools I use when trip planning. Today I'm going to be talking about my top 3 tools I use to plan a trip. Now, if you've never planned a trip or if you have planned a trip, you know it can easily get overwhelming when you don't have everything organized. So you want to make sure that you have everything in place and have it all into the different types of compartments so that you have everything organized. Now, my first one is OneNote. Now, OneNote is you can use it it's in the cloud. So you want to be able to use that across everything. I use it to keep everything organized because you can use tabs and it keeps everything. You can do what I usually do is I'll do a tab for the name of the tour or the trip, sorry, the name of the trip. So say Europe 2022. And then I will go in and in that tab, I'll go down and I'll put in each city that I'm planning on visiting. And then you can tab into that and you can make more tabs. So you can do ones for accommodations, your flights, your, all the activities that you want to do. So you can keep everything very organized so you can find what you need very quickly. Now, my second one is Google Docs. Now, Google Docs is fabulous because it's also in the cloud, so you can reach it on any device. And it's great if you are traveling with other people. This way, you're able to share this document and people can add to it and make comments on it in real time. Now, you never have to save it because it automatically saves all the time. So that's another great thing. So you're never going to lose all of your information. So you can share this with all the people that you're traveling with and everyone can be included and put in all of their information as well. Now, the last one that I'm going to do is Google Maps. Now, Google Maps I find super invaluable for so many different reasons, but the main one is for trip planning. Trip planning with Google Maps makes it so much easier. I use it for when I figure out what the things that I want to do, and then I figure out which day I'm going to be doing those on. So if I have like 5 different things that I want to do over 2 days, I then go into Google Maps and I plot them all out and see which ones are closer to each other. And then I make sure I do the ones that are close to each other on the same day. That way you're not going back and forth across the city and wasting time and money going back and forth. So it's super helpful to be able to plan out your days so yet you're using them really effectively and smartly. So I hope these tools can help you as well when you're planning your next trip. If you have any questions about them or anything else, please feel free to reach out to me or you can also put in a comment down below. Now, if you haven't already downloaded my vacation blueprint starter kit, please download that now. I'm going to put it in the comments below. This way it's going to help you plan out your trip super easily and keep everything in one place. All right. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.